how to enable or disable notification on Clapper. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notification on the Clapper app. So if you are looking to stay updated on your favorite content, or maybe you want a little peace and quiet, I'll walk you through how you can customize your notification settings. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Clapper app on your phone. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and you will be prompted to the settings page. From here, you can simply tap on the option labeled push notification. Now here you can customize your notification. If you want to receive notification for things like new followers, comments or direct message, make sure that those options are toggled on. But if you want to mute them, you can simply tap to toggle them off. You can even choose to enable or disable more specific notification. For example, you can choose to be notified only when someone mentions you or when there is a new live video from someone you follow. And once you have selected your preferences, just hit back button to save the changes and you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable notification on Clapper. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.